Hi friends! Today I'm sharing ideas for throwing a cozy and creative Love Is Brewing bridal shower. Perfect for fall or any coffee-loving bride. I'll drop links below with everything you need to recreate this espresso martini paint and sip party, including what I spent and where to shop. Let's start with a few centerpiece and favor ideas. First up, I'll fill a Love Is Brewing coffee mug with coffee beans and add a tea light. It doubles as a cozy centerpiece and a take-home favor. Want a twist? Swap the mug for a martini glass if you're going the espresso martini route. Same idea, different vibe. Or skip the candle and add a mini cactus or succulent instead. So cute and reusable. Next, personalize Hershey bars in a themed mug make great favors. You can keep it simple or dress it up by placing the mug and treats inside a medium gift bag with goodies like a coloring card, t-shirts, and more. That's what we did for our friend's espresso martini bachelorette party, and it was a hit. Now for a quick behind-the-scenes peek. As you'll see, Sammy, my very helpful assistant, had other plans. I shoot at my dining room table because the natural light is perfect for photos. Or should I say perfect? Even if the setup is a beautiful mess behind the scenes. Now back to the setup. For the paint and sip party, I cleared the table and added our mug centerpiece and placed a gift bag at each setting with favors and art supplies. Each spot also got a martini glass or used coffee mugs for non-alcoholic versions. I even numbered the centerpiece for a fun giveaway at the end of the night. The total cost came to around $300 for the party supplies, plus $50 for the espresso martini ingredients. Friends brought charcuterie and dessert to share, which is a great budget-friendly tip. And as a fun bonus, I'm giving you a sneak peek at our new Pumpkin and Spice Love Is Brewing collection. Cozy, festive, and perfect for fall bridal showers. Thanks for watching. You'll find all the links below, lovingly designed by me, your purveyor of Do Tell a Bell.